You do all the talking, every bit of it. Yeah. Today, we got a special gift from one of the neighbors. And we said we'd put it to use, so inside is a little bit of a surprise for this cabinet. And by the way, we had one book left and another book from the last video.
Would be 2.
Yeah, it would be 2.
What you got to say? Does it work?
We had 2 books left from the last video. If you didn't watch it, you should probably go watch it because it's a banger. So we're gonna throw this one in there, put this one in here, like such.
And that stump is a real eyesore.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get rid of it too.
We're gonna see just how much damage Tannerite does to a blown out stump. We're gonna put it in there. Hopefully we can send these books up into the sky again like we did last time. And watch this stump just be like everywhere right here.
And use it for kindling.
Anyhow, let's go shoot. All right, here we go, guys. Got a 6.5. We're shooting down there and see what happens.
You missed the Tannerite.
I did. How? I don't know.
Risky, go.
That was stupid loud.
I think we just woke up all the dead. Huh?
Yeah, there's no more
So
stump.
here's something. What's this? Where's the stump?
There is no stump.
No way!
I didn't.
Where's the stump at? Oh, we still got our book.
That's
This time the book
crazy.
didn't do as much damage.
There's shit all the way down there.
Oh, look. Oh, here's half of the cabinet. And here's the stump. Half of it too. Over here's some. Oh, here's the book. This book's actually, well, it's kind of ripped. The covers are gone, but other than that, it looks good. Well, yeah, here's some more. Look at that. We got all kinds of stuff. Here's some more. Oh, here's a book cover. But look at that. There's not even a stump left. Well, we're gonna be moving up to something else.
Hey, I found something else.
Oh, there's a book up in the trees. But yeah, we're gonna blow some more stuff up. Stay watching.
What's up? Huh? Oh, you want me to tell them that I'm gonna shoot this, or what? Oh, guys, now it's the washer's turn and the couch. And we're gonna see what happens. See if it flies up above the trees.
It probably will.
Yeah,
I wonder how far up the other one went.
I don't know. I have no clue.
Let's launch the thing to the moon, huh?
Yep. Dude, that's the weirdest shit ever.
It's like it didn't light.
It's like it didn't even light. But it did.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, it blew that front off.
Yeah. Let's try it again, huh? Let's put another one in there.
Yeah, and just leave the door open.
Yeah.
Okay, Ivan, your turn to shoot.
Take it out.
Another bullet in there? What happened? What happened? What happened? Nothing.
I know what happened. It blew up.
There wasn't enough Tannerite. That's what happened. We should have put 4 pounds. Well, at least we'll be able to fit the
couch,
the dryer in the bag now, which that's what we were trying to do.
Hey, at least I got my couch back.
Yeah, you still got your couch, Ivan. He was crying when we told him that we're gonna blow it up. Yeah, he was in tears.
Yeah, I was.
But now you still got it.
Still in tears.
Well, it's at least a boom. I mean, there's some shit all the way down there.
Holy crap. Hey, right here's the motor.
Yeah, it is too.
This is a good old weight, like 5 pounds. Dude,
There's the piece.
that's crazy.
There's some
Like
wiring.
The smoke stings your tongue.
Yeah, and here's the back end. There's
the fan.
There's the fan.
Yeah, that was good.
Oh, there's some up in there.
Here's the part of the wiring harness. Look at this shit.
Bruh.
It's trying to go inside the car.
What? I didn't even
That's a
notice
big
that.
piece.
And how did it make it up here with these branches turned? It was straight down there.
I don't know. We got something up here.
That's nuts.
Oh guys, he's supposed to tell you guys to subscribe. I'm supposed to say that?
You were talking, so.
I was telling, I gotta confess to them because I told them that you were supposed to. Hey guys, I'm sorry. He's just a little shy yet. No, I got one.
Oh, there you go.
Hang on, yeah, guys. No, you can have this one. Subscribe, comment, like. Oh, I almost forgot. Buy these things. What are they though?
They're hoodies.
Oh yeah.
Well, boys, you made the mess, so start cleaning up.